Hello students. In the chapter we are going to discuss about cotton production, especially production of cotton, climate of cotton, cotton bales, charka, and then cotton balls, silver, yarn, and finally uses of cottons. The first of all question, what is man-made sources? See, man-made sources, polyester, nylon, rayon, these all are the man-made sources. The man-made sources material are used to make by artificially. Okay? The particular students plant fiber. All the plant fiber having in their body structure. For example, cotton and mango have the fiber on their seeds. Then coconut on its fruits. Jute in its stem and banana tree is its leaf. Okay, students? The next word is what is animal fiber. The important animal fiber is wool and silk. So wool is extracted from the sheep and the silk is extracted from the silkworm. Okay. The cotton is the most important industrial corporation. Then India was the proud inventor of cotton clothing. The cotton has been used in India since 1800. Now we are going to discuss about production of cotton. See, mostly cotton is grown in Maharashtra, Gujarat, Punjab, Rajasthan, Tamil Nadu, and Madhya Pradesh. These are the most production of cotton in India. Okay, students? What is the climate? So, climate is very important to growing all the plants from one place to other place. So, the climate require cotton plants have the warm climate, little bit warm climate. Cotton is planted early in the spring. The block soil is excellent for the cotton cultivation. Cotton cultivation is very, very important from the cotton seeds. Okay, students? The next one, what is cotton balls? Cotton balls is nothing. Fruits of cotton plants are spherical shape structure of the size of walnut are called cotton balls. Simple statement. And maturation cotton balls burst open exposing the white fiber. It is automatically growing from the cotton plants. It will produce a white fiber in the plants. When the fiber dry in the sunlight, they become to flubby. The flubby means like there is very soft in nature of the cotton fiber are produced. Okay. The next one important word, charka. The charka is a machine and which yarn was spun directly from the ginned cotton in olden days. Not now. Nowadays, modern days are produced different type of machinery to make a cotton yarn and a cotton fabric like that. Okay. Then another one, bales. The ginned cotton, already you know ginning. So the ginning means nothing, the removal of seeds from the cotton fiber. The process is known as ginning. Now, the ginned cotton is compressed tightly into a bundle, is weighing approximately 200 kgs, is called bale. So, bale is nothing, is approximately 200 kg, a bundle is called bales. The next one, students, silver. What is silver? The raw cotton from the bales is cleaned and then combed and straightened and finally converted into the rope. Is like a stand called silver. So children, the silver is nothing, the raw cotton from the bales is cleaned, that is the main thing. A silver of cotton of loose stand, a rope or cotton fiber. Correct? And you know very well the familiar name is yarn. The silver is pulled and twisted so that the fiber forms a strong thread of yarn. Then finally, the yarn are converted from the silver. Okay. Next one, student, the twisting of fiber into yarn is increase the chosen and the strength of the fiber. So twisting of yarn, it only increase the strength of the fiber. Hand looms and the power looms, these are the important methods to increase the strength of the fibers. In villages, the cloths from the cotton are woven on small scale is known as handloom. Handloom is nothing, the production of small scales in the rural area, in villages like that. On large scale, cotton cloths are made by machineries. It is known as power loom. So you can understand easily difference between the hand loom and power loom. Hand loom means it's done by the mechanically by the human being, and the power loom are done by the machineries. Okay. And finally, students, what are the uses of cotton? The cotton is wide range use, only the making of fabric. So 90% use making of textile industry to making a different type of cotton fabric. Cotton shirt, cotton dhotis and cotton saris like this. And also it is used in hospital to absorb the tissues, waste tissues in the body. It will absorbed by the cotton. So around 15% of the cotton are used to separation of the tissues with the human bodies. And also it is used to making a pillows. Finally, students, the main raw material of the manufacturing of rayon and paper industries. So cotton is also used to making rayon, and also little bit amount of used to in paper industry to making a papers. Children, these are the very important uses of cotton. Thank you, students.